Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing great. So what is the consequence of being short in this market, particularly today when everyone is long? I am short in the market. You know, I am a bear and I've been telling always I look forward, or I am I am a person who is always bearish, right? So what happened today? Yesterday, seeing yesterday's price action, I was shorting the market. In fact, I had shorted the market so much, and today we are sitting in a loss of MTM loss of around 85,000. I'll show you what happened on what we are going to do. We'll have to I don't know why my instinct says that still I haven't squared off that position. Still I'm having 85k loss. I'm sitting in a loss of around 85k, and somewhere my instinct says we market may not go on the higher side. That's why I'm saying this. That is an instinct, right? I may go wrong, I may go right, we don't know. But if I'm going right, I'll make good money. If I'm going wrong, still we'll have to manage. We will see how we will manage, what position I have taken, and what we can do. I'll explain in this video, so stay tuned. And in fact, I also showed what losses we made in our Telegram channel. We have a vibrant Telegram channel for which the link is on the description below. And not only that, let me tell you one more thing, that Sensible is offering free pro plan for users of Zerodha, IAFL, Angel One, Upstock and ICICI. So if you are using one of these brokers, you can join free of cost. Pro plan is costing around 800 rupees free of cost, for which the link is on the description below. If you want, you can join. So what happened? That is what we have to really know. If you see the price action, this is the Nifty chart, and there are lots of events. Before going into the chart and before going up talking about Bank Nifty, let me tell you there are lots of events going ahead in terms of US market. So we'll talk briefly about that. If I go to trading economics, you can see there are lots of data coming up. Wednesday 10th May, that is 10th May, we have inflation rate month on month, inflation rate year on year, and core inflation rate. Not only that, tomorrow evening around 6 p.m. Jerome Powell is going to give a speech. In case he gives a very negative note, or in case he gives a negative speech, then there is going to be a problem. US market may come down. And you may ask, or if you see the price action, it might be confusing, right? You know the price action today, what happened today? Market rallied, Nifty alone rallied more than 200 points, and Bank Nifty also rallied more than how many points? Maybe 622 points. Now the question is, why the market came down on 5th May, that is Friday, and today why it rallied? Now in between, what happened is that there are conspiracy theories, or there are speculation rumors that Federal Reserve is not going to increase the interest rate, and they are going to pause. They are in the process of pausing the interest rate. So going forward, they may not increase the interest rate. That is what this trading economic news also is telling. Let me explain you. Fed Jefferson, he is going to talk at Fed Jefferson Summit, and he is saying, people are saying, or participants are saying, Federal Reserve raised the Fed fund rate by 25 basis points to a range of 5% to 5.25% during its May meeting, making the 10th increase and bringing the borrowing cost to their highest level since September 2007. The decision came in line with the market expectation. The central bank also signaled that it may be done with a tightening cycle by taking out from the statement sentence pointing to the need for additional policy firming. So what it means is that maybe Federal Reserve is not going to increase the interest rate going forward. That is what people are anticipating, and that is why, you know what happened yesterday or Friday when we were closed, our markets were closed. Dow Jones alone rallied more than 500 points. Now as I talk to you, Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, everything is flat, and even Europe is also kind of flat. In fact, Dow Jones is it's almost flat. So what we can expect, or if tomorrow Federal Reserve is going to come out, and if they tell any bad news, then we can see a reversal. Now in terms of Nifty, what I was thinking is this trend line which I had planned, or I have executed. I thought this trend line might be a very good support. That's why we saw yesterday, when I saw a price action where Nifty came from, high was 18,107 to low was around how much, 18,055. I thought, okay, this is going to be a very, market may reverse to 17,400, and that is the reason why we went short in the market. And today's price action was really embarrassing, or I wouldn't say how. These people, FIIs, always want to, this market doesn't want to come on the downside. That is the problem. And I really don't know what is there so much good news in terms of earning, or in terms of inflation data, or in terms of other policy, macroeconomic thing. There is no good news as such. You know how expensive, how much inflation is in India. You know that it is costing you so much to run a business. It is costing you so much to run a family. It is costing you so much to send your children to school. Right? When you compare with other economics, still people are believing in, this is greediness. That's what I can say. I can be wrong. If you think I am wrong, let me know on the comment section below. So today's price action market, we saw around 195 points. Now we took a strategy. We started in the May series. We are at the 8th of May. And on 1st of May, we started with a straddle, and market went to 18,200. Remember, all this is happening when India VIX is very low. You have to remember this. Combined premium, let me show you. If I go to option chain chart, and if you see the combined premium of tomorrow's expiry, you will not even get combined premium of how much? Not even 150 rupees. 18,250, or let's assume 18,200 is trading at how much? 919, and this is trading at 152 rupees. Not even 200 rupees premium you are getting on a short straddle in Nifty. But Bank Nifty is moving more than 100, 200 points to 250 points. And how do you expect to make money in intraday traders? Of course, I'm not an intraday trader. That's why I'm asking, how do you expect, or how do you make money in intraday trading when India VIX is very low and market tend to make two-way, three-way movement? Anyway, that's a whole different subject. Now, what I think is, still this trend line will be respected, and maybe the market may come down is what I'm expecting. And if it comes down, maybe we will say 17,500 levels, and if it moves on the higher side, maximum 18,600 or 18,800 level is what I'm expecting. That is going to be a very good resistance, and market has been moving. Nifty has been moving stiffly in one direction for last April series and May series. We are into May series. April series, you know what happened, 16,800 to we are sitting somewhere around 18,300. And Bank Nifty is one stock, one index which was kind of reluctant, or kind of it was not trying to go on the higher side. I really don't know what was happening. You see the Bank Nifty chart, and you see the RSI on the downside. If I draw a line, you can see that there is divergence in Bank Nifty. And if I draw a divergence in RSI, there is a divergence. So this is called negative divergence. If at all there is no buying interest in Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty may come on the downside. That is what is my expectation. And this is not seen in Nifty. This is only seen in Bank Nifty. So I will leave it to you. You decide whether what you want to do. I'm sure many of you might be long in the market. I am not long in the market. I am still short in the market. That's why I told you, see here, I have a loss of around 80k in still holding my position, and this is my position. We had to book huge losses, and still now we are sitting in loss only. So we'll see how things pan out. I'm not saying I am an expert, but we'll see how we can manage our position. So this is in terms of Nifty and Bank Nifty, and Fin Nifty is also I'm sure Fin Nifty is also same as Bank Nifty, and I'm sure tomorrow is going to be a day where we are going to see a flat opening. And FII data, I'm sure FII data might not have come out, but if it has come out, yeah, it has not come out. And participant wise data, if you see index future short positions, still 88,448 contracts, active contracts are live in future index short. So you might be very careful and see what is going to happen, because market has been in the overbought zone for a very long time. So you have to see how things span out, right? And this is how our strategy is looking like. We have a break even of around 18,500. Not only 18,500, we have to wait for theta decay to happen. Even if the theta decay, this is one of our trade, even if the theta decay happens, it will take at least, let me show you, if you move this one, maybe next Monday or next Saturday only it will come. Next Saturday only losses will recur, then it has to go in profit, and in between who knows what is going to happen. In case if the market moves on the higher side, we'll have to do something, or we'll have to do some other things, and we'll have to extend our position. Not only me, even our people who are in our mentorship program are in loss. I'm not denying. We'll have to see how things pan out. For now, I am still holding my short position, and I believe that the market may come on the downside. That is what I believe. Let's see how things pan out. As of now, SGX Nifty is flat. Even US market and European markets are all down. So let's see if we are winning, or we are going to win, or we are going to fail this adventure, right? That's what I can say. I'll see you in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye.